Download Python from Python official download page. Just go to that link python.org/downloads and click that download button. I already have Python download on my system, so I have to cancel it. Once you have complete downloading Python, just double click it. Don't forget to check that saying add Python 3.9 to path. It will add your Python to path, and just click install now. As I have already Python installed, so I have to cancel it. Once you have Python installed, just to check confirmation that Python has been installed successfully or not, just type python hyphen version. If it gives you your Python version you have installed, something like Python 3 something according to your Python version, as I have installed Python 3.7.9, so it's giving me Python 3.7.9. if it does not gives you this version, then there may be some issues while installing your Python. So that's it, that how to install Python on your system. So in next lecture we will see and compile our first Python program about how to print any message on screen. So thank you.